Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to hide multiple payment gateway when coupon code is applied on checkout page in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in checkout page. Now you see multiple payment gateway. So we are going to hide multiple payment gateway when coupon code is applied. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code. Then in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down. You can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see drop down, select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see unset payment gateway BACS for direct bank transfer, and then you see unset cash on delivery. If you want to add more payment gateway to remove, copy this if condition. Now paste and then you see gateway, so you can add your payment gateway ID, so it's up to you. So by using this code you are going to disable multiple payment gateway when coupon code is applied. Now scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to coupon page. So this is our coupon, copy this. Now go to checkout page, refresh the page. Now you see have a coupon. Scroll down, you see 4 payment gateway. Scroll up, click here to enter your code. Now paste coupon code and then apply coupon. Now you see coupon code applied successfully. Scroll down. Now you see check payment, PayPal, so cash on delivery and direct bank transfer hide when coupon code is applied. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.